4,522 on the miles. Market retail is $24,478. We're selling it for $22,800 at Ravenel Ford. Make sure you give them that stock number right there, 4761A, if you're in the market for a truck like this. The Lariat, you're going to get a lot nicer options on the inside. The chrome handles on the outside. This one does have a tow package there on the bottom and backup sensors. A window that opens and closes. You can throw that puppy a bone. Bed liner in the back. I like that little setup. You can take the tailgate down, slide that over. More room. Let's take a look at the inside. It does have keyless entry. And it's a green dot truck, so it comes with a comprehensive warranty at no extra charge. We do keep Carfaxes available on all these vehicles. This one has a black interior, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, wood trim. Black ebony leather interior. Sunroof. Automatic transmission. Good shape, nice and clean. Smells good on the inside, that's for sure. Nice and clean. As you can see, plenty of legroom in the back. Not bad at all. Good looking truck, folks. We are in Ravenel, South Carolina. RavenelFord.com. Check them out. No DRAV fees, no dock fees of any kind. They're here to help you out with buying your next vehicle. We'll see you soon.